Welcome to your dream Florida home. This stunning pool home with a new roof and large fenced yard is located in peaceful North Fort Myers, with boat ramp access just down the street to the Caloosahatchee River, which leads to the Gulf of Mexico. This home is perfect for boating, fishing, jet skis, kayaks, and water lovers. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath gem offers no HOA or restrictions, giving you the freedom to live the ultimate Florida lifestyle. Inside, you'll find a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops and an open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The home is move-in ready with vinyl wood flooring and tiled bathrooms. Got pets? They'll love the fenced yard. Plus, there's room to start your own tropical garden with a compost bin ready to go. The possibilities are endless. Bring your boat, motorhome, and all your toys and make this home yours today. Need help buying? We have all the resources available and are ready to help you every step of the way. Don't wait. Call and text now at 239-220-6844 or visit josephineperilli.com to schedule your showing and start living the Florida dream.